Hey Feds, got a question today in one of the workshops we had about FEHB. And the question was, after retirement, can you change FEHB options during open season? Now, here's the general rule. There are a few exceptions, but the general rule is if you can do it as an employee with FEHB, you can do it as a retiree. So that can pretty much drive a lot of the decisions. So for example, in this question, can you make changes during an open season? Can you use the open season in retirement? Well, can you do it now? Yes. Well, then you can do it in retirement. Nice and easy. Can you have your spouse on in retirement? Well, can you have your spouse on now? Yes. Then you can have your spouse on when you retire. Okay. Can I choose this one plan in FEHB, like BCBS Standard Self Plus One, for example? Well, can you do it now? Yeah, you can do it in retirement then too. Now, there are a couple exceptions to this that you just got to be aware of, but overall, that's kind of the guiding principle of how it works. Hope that helps. If you would like, subscribe, come to one of our workshops, learn more. You can learn a ton on this channel and at the workshop. Be continually learning. See you around.